Okay, today we're going to go over visual patterns. You should have a worksheet that is titled The Colors of a Pattern. Your instructions are to choose one color pencil and shade in the part of the pattern that is not changing in the figure as the figure number increases, and also use a second color pencil to shade in the part of the pattern that is changing in each figure as the figure number increases. We do need to make a change to this worksheet. In pattern A, the last figure, you should have 4 boxes extending on each side, and one of the sides it has 5. It was actually the box that was right here. You need to mark it out. I covered mine with white out, that box should not be there. I'd like you to go ahead and pause the video and shade in the different patterns. Again, just make sure that the one piece or the few pieces that is staying the same, that's what you color one color, and then what's changing you color another color. Go ahead and pause the video, do that, and then we'll come check our answer in just a moment. Okay, you should have finished coloring in your worksheet. Let's go ahead and check what we did. Okay, you should have shaded in each pattern like this. For pattern A, we have 9 boxes in the middle that is remaining the same. In figure B, it was just the corner piece that was staying the same, and in figure C, it was the last row that was not changing. So go ahead, if you made any mistakes, correct that now. Now that we're done with coloring, we're going to make a table and create an equation to express each one of these patterns. Okay, looking at pattern A, let's count up how many boxes we have in each figure. So in figure A, figure 1, we had 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This one we had 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So these are our terms in our sequence. This is the first term, second, third, and fourth term. So let's make a table. We already have our positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have our first 4 terms. Okay, so we have our table, we have our first 4 positions, we have our first 4 terms. Now we need to figure out the relationship between our positions and our terms. Now, let's go ahead and decide, in each term we're increasing by 13 to 17, there's a difference of 4. And you also notice in our pattern, each time we added 1, 2, 3, 4 to our pattern. So, this difference here is what we need to multiply by n. So we are going to have 4n. And for our first term, for position 1, that would be 4 times 1. And to get from 4 to 13, we need to add 9. So we have 4n plus 9. That's what we have for our equation. Let's double check with the other positions and just make sure that's right. This would be 4 times 2 plus 9. And that gives us 4 times 2, 8, plus 9 is 17, so that's good. Our next one would be 4 times 3 plus 9, and that works out also, and we're good. So you should have in your spiral, alongside this pattern, that our sequence is 13, 17, 21, 25, and between our position and our term, our equation is 4n plus 9. Now, main thing to remember, what the difference is what we multiply by n, and then you need to come up with what the difference is from the equation to the term. Alright? So I'd like you to go ahead and try pattern A. I'm sorry, we've already done pattern A. I'd like you to try pattern B and C on your own. So you're creating a table just like this for both those other patterns, and we will check that in class tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye.